Ever wondered why students often dissect frogs in biology class? It's not just for curiosity. It's a powerful gateway to understanding human anatomy. Frogs share many similar organ systems with humans, including a heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys. By exploring how these organs function in frogs, students gain hands-on insight into the structure and systems of the human body. This practice helps build a strong foundation for future doctors, nurses, and scientists. Though controversial, it's a time-tested educational tool in life sciences. Frog dissection bridges the gap between textbook learning and real-life anatomy.